If you want to connect your Quickchat AI agent to HubSpot, or you're looking for an AI support solution for your website, you're exactly in the right place because I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect these two platforms. So let's start with the view you already know, so HubSpot. The first step we need to do is to create a new user for our AI agent. So we need to basically create a space for our AI agent to operate inside your HubSpot account. So in order to do this, let's go to create a user section. And here we need to provide an email address for our AI agent. So we need to create a new one or use something you already have. So I'm going with mine in this case. Quickchat.ai. Click Next. Let's use a custom permission set, and please ensure that the permission set here is set to the super admin. It's important to give our AI permissions that are necessary for it to work properly. Then click Next. And now we need to confirm our email address, so I'll be back in a few seconds. Okay, so I sent the email invitation and accepted it, but before we go to the Quickchat AI platform, let's ensure that the user we've just created has the Service Enterprise seat turned on. So if it's not, please do it. And usually by default, the status of this user is set to away. So we need to make it available. So please click Actions, Edit User. And as you can see, the user status is indeed set to away, so it's very important to make it available. So let's click that. And now we are ready to go to the Quickchat AI platform. And so we're here. So now we need to go to External Labs from the left sidebar, click HubSpot. And of course, we need to turn this integration on, so please do it. And here you need to provide the exact same email address you used in HubSpot to create your new HubSpot account. So I'll just paste it here and let's authenticate with HubSpot. Select your account. And Quickchat AI is requesting here permissions that are required for the AI to work properly. So, for example, it needs to read your conversations with your customers and of course be able to respond to them, so write to conversations. So let's agree to all of these permissions and connect app. And now if you go once again to the External Labs and to the HubSpot section, you will see that the AI has been successfully connected to our HubSpot account, which is of course great. And now we are ready to create our first chat flow inside HubSpot. So let's go to the service section from the left sidebar, click chat flows, and let's create a new one. Here, choose website, select inbox and a language of your choice. Live agent, click next. And here HubSpot asks us to enable the knowledge base, but we don't have to do it because the knowledge base and the response generation process is handled entirely by the Quickchat AI platform. So if you go to the knowledge base in Quickchat, here you can build your entire knowledge base and manage your content. You can import your PDFs or docs, or just import your website or your documentation, your help desk articles, FAQs, or wherever your knowledge sits. It's very easy to do. You just need to paste your website URL. So let's turn it off. Let's leave it as it is and click Create. Okay, and here's the important part. So we need to turn on the assignment and assign to contact owner. And in the second drop down, select specific users and teams and click the AI agent tutorial user we created a few minutes ago. Here, of course, you can further customize your welcome message, email capture, you can choose your own chat avatar, but right now it's time to test if the integration has been actually successful. So please go to preview and let's say hello. So we are sending this message to Quickchat AI to generate the response. And well, as you can see, the AI responded almost instantly. So we're not going to ask like very specific questions about our business, our products and services, because the knowledge base is empty right now. But as I said, you can very easily import your documentation, your FAQs, your help desk articles here. So, and also if you're not a fan of the HubSpot widget, I encourage you to check out the Quickchat one. It's much more modern, much more beautiful and engaging, so you can very easily install it to your site by following instructions in your website tab. And if you're not already a Quickchat user, I encourage you to sign up for a free account. It comes with 200 AI messages per month, so you can basically use the AI for free for your own business. So if you're not, please go to quickchat.ai and sign up for free.